Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the likes, the comments, and for subscribing. We all know all the series are hot, like all of them are hot this time around. Please come back for more updates on all your favorite series. In this video, I'll be updating you on Twist of Fate New Era September teasers 2025.
Krishna and Prachi long for each other. Rajvansh wakes from a disturbing nightmare, worrying Harleen. He seals a deal with Robert while Ashutosh stresses about his bike. At a hotel, Rajvansh and Purvi cross paths. Krishna warns Purvi not to marry Ashutosh. Ashutosh gets upset over the hotel costs. 2nd September 2025. Prachi drops her keys and Krishna picks them up. Ashutosh insists their wedding must happen in a five-star hotel. Jasbir secures bail and vows revenge on Purvi. He spots her with Rajvansh and fumes. Ashutosh pretends he booked the hotel, but Purvi thanks Rajvansh. Bina later takes Purvi shopping while Krishna calls near Prachi's house. 3rd September 2025. Ashutosh comforts Prachi when she misses Ranbir. Purvi worries about Diya's thoughts on Rajvansh. Rajvansh overhears Jasbir's threats. Diya seeks Yu's help when Purvi and Rajvansh get locked in a trial room. Bina learns about it, but Purvi diverts her. Slowly, Rajvansh and Purvi feel drawn toward each other. 4th September 2025. Rajvansh's family plans to visit his in-laws, while Jasbir continues scheming against Purvi. Krishna grows restless thinking of Prachi. Purvi and Rajvansh struggle with their confusing feelings. Ashutosh becomes insecure about Rajvansh's closeness to Purvi. Harleen grows suspicious of Rajvansh's changed behavior. 5th September 2025. Krishna tries to meet Prachi but fails. Purvi accidentally overhears Rajvansh's heartfelt confession to himself. Ashutosh confronts Purvi about her distractions. Rajvansh rescues Purvi from Jasbir's men. Prachi prays for Purvi's happiness. Rajvansh hides his feelings but can't stop caring for Purvi. 6th September 2025. Ashutosh and Bina argue about wedding costs. Krishna secretly watches Prachi from afar. Rajvansh confronts Jasbir head-on, warning him to stay away. Purvi tends to Rajvansh after he gets hurt. Prachi recalls Ranbir and becomes emotional. Rajvansh assures Purvi he'll always protect her. 7th September 2025. Krishna finally sees Prachi but struggles to speak. Purvi feels guilty about her growing attachment to Rajvansh. Harleen questions Rajvansh's late-night outings. Ashutosh suspects Purvi isn't fully committed. Jasbir hatches another dangerous plan. Rajvansh feels conflicted between duty and emotions. 8th September 2025. Prachi and Krishna narrowly miss each other again. Purvi is trapped by Jasbir, but Rajvansh arrives in time. Ashutosh grows frustrated at always being overshadowed. Purvi thanks Rajvansh deeply, touching his heart. Krishna pours out his pain to God. Rajvansh begins realizing he's falling for Purvi. 9th September 2025. Prachi confides in Diya about her emptiness. Ashutosh pressures Purvi about the wedding date. Rajvansh follows Jasbir and gathers evidence. Purvi recalls Rajvansh's kindness. Krishna keeps watch near Prachi's house, reminiscing. Jasbir vows he will ruin Purvi's life. 10th September 2025. Ashutosh's mother argues with Bina over dowry issues. Purvi feels torn about marriage. Rajvansh presents proof of Jasbir's misdeeds. Harleen fears Rajvansha's obsession with Purvi is growing. Prachi finds a clue of Krishna's presence. Rajvansh promises Purvi safety, deepening their bond. 11th September 2025. Purvi clashes with Ashutosh over his arrogance. Krishna narrowly misses meeting Prachi again. Rajvansh confronts Jasbir's lawyer in court. Harleen prays Rajvansh avoids heartbreak. Jasbir targets Purvi more aggressively. Rajvansh secretly watches over Purvi's every move. 12th September 2025. Prachi breaks down in front of Diya. Rajvansh shields Purvi from Jasbir's goons. Ashutosh notices Purvi's distance and fumes. Krishna finally glimpses Prachi but fate separates them again. Bina worries about Purvi's silence. Rajvansh admits to Yug he can't ignore Purvi anymore. 13th September 2025. Ashutosh confronts Purvi angrily, but she stands her ground. Rajvansh intervenes, making Ashutosh jealous. Jasbir plots a trap during the wedding preparations. Krishna sends Prachi a heartfelt letter. Harleen suspects Rajvansha's distraction is due to love. Purvi feels deeply conflicted about her heart. 14th September 2025. Prachi receives Krishna's letter and is shaken. Purvi confesses to Diya her heart feels unsettled. Ashutosh overhears and loses his temper. Rajvansh saves Purvi yet again, fueling gossip. Jasbir vows Purvi will never reach the mandap. Krishna hopes destiny will reunite him with Prachi. 15th September 2025. Wedding preparations begin in full swing. Ashutosh tries to control Purvi, but she resists. Rajvansh secretly ensures her safety. Prachi remembers her moments with Ranbir. Krishna makes a bold plan to meet Prachi. Jasbir's final scheme threatens to destroy everything. 16th September 2025. Rajvansh tells Monisha he'll abandon Purvi during her Pagfera. Monisha demands marriage, calls herself Purvi's co-wife, dances with Deepika, and joins the ring ritual, declaring she wants Rajvansh as her husband. 17th September 2025. Deepika calms matters as Monisha insists on marrying Rajvansh. Purvi realizes Monisha's hold on him. Rajvansh promises Monisha marriage, sleeps apart from Purvi, and Monisha weds to Deepika. 18th September 2025. Rajvansh confronts Deepika and promises Monisha a future. Purvi accuses him of an affair but he denies it, lying about his motives. The Malhotras panic, while Rajvansh refuses to join Purvi's Pagfera. 19th September 2025. Rajvansh abandons Purvi, leaving her mocked as an abandoned bride. Monisha plans a surprise, Harleen celebrates Rajvansh's revenge, and Purvi hides her pain from Prachi. 20th September 2025. Khushi hides her past with Rajvansh. The Malhotras celebrate while Monisha wants Purvi invited. Rajvansh admits unease with revenge. Khushi's lawyer serves a restraining order, and Khushi vows to get Purvi remarried. 21st September 2025. Monisha pressures Rajvansh for marriage, but Dadaji demands Purvi's return. Diya meets Soham, whose family bonds with the Tandons. Khushi visits Rajvansh's office and encounters Monisha. 22nd September 2025. Neighbors threaten to oust the Tandons unless Rajvansh takes Purvi back. Khushi offers relocation, but Rajvansh's arrival shocks her. 23rd September 2025. Purvi confronts Khushi. Rajvansh humiliates her, sparking conflict. Deepika shares a secret with Monisha. Purvi boldly challenges Rajvansh at dinner, and he returns home with her, stunning Monisha and the family. 24th September 2025. Rajvansh justifies Purvi's return. Dadiji urges her to fight for her rights while Monisha plots to oust her. Rajvansh torments Purvi at night, and Dadaji sparks a contest between her and Deepika. 25th September 2025. Purvi defends herself against Deepika's sabotage. Harleen notices Purvi's closeness to Rajvansh. Dadaji gives honeymoon tickets, while Monisha schemes to stop the trip. 26th September 2025. Monisha pushes Rajvansh to cancel the honeymoon, angering Purvi. At the mall, Prachi saves Trishna from false charges. Purvi considers leaving, but Rajvansh insists they go. 27th September 2025. Dadiji gives Purvi lingeri, Monisha plots again. Prachi visits and worries over Monisha's closeness with Rajvansh. Krishna cancels his meeting after consulting Purvi, while Prachi angers Monisha. 28 September 2025. Dadaji sends Rajvansh and Purvi to Mahabaleshwar. Monisha tampers with the car, overheard by Harleen. The car breaks down, Rajvansh fights with Purvi, and she sprains her ankle. 29 September 2025. Purvi asks Rajvansh to lift her, he agrees. Prachi prays for her happiness. Goons kidnap Purvi but Rajvansh rescues her. She panics in a haunted house, he mocks her, and later they share close moments. Harleen confronts Monisha. 30th September 2025. Purvi hitchhikes to the resort. Harleen mocks Monisha's failed plan. Deepika suggests cancelling the booking, but Rajvansh upgrades rooms. Purvi finds lingeri in her bag and argues with him. Monisha heads to the resort, while Dadiji insists on speaking with Purvi.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and come back for more updates from your favorite Z Word series.